Believe it or not, we're actually going to get to see some sunshine here as we head into this afternoon. So it may look nice, but we're still going to be dealing with sub-freezing temperatures here even as we head into the weekend. And speaking of the weekend, I know everyone's been seeing record snow, record low possibilities. I'm going to detail that here in just a second. Let's go and get right into the latest, though, starting you off with a live look at the temperatures here for your early Thursday morning. Temperatures outside still starting off in the teens. We got some snow flurries here across central Oklahoma. It's not really going to amount to much, but you will see that as you're making your drive into work. And you definitely got to bundle up. We have seen sub-zero wind chills here for this morning, but as of right now, it feels like 0 degrees right now in Oklahoma City. So a bitter cold start here for your early Thursday. And the chance of ice that we were dealing with yesterday here in Oklahoma City, that's going to continue to push its way into eastern and southeastern Oklahoma as we head throughout the rest of the morning. That winter weather advisory is in effect until about noon here for today. And for your hour-by-hour planner here for the Oklahoma City Metro, some strong winds to start off, temperatures in the teens. But once again, we're going to see clearing skies. Highs today will make it into the mid-20s. So once again, it's going to look a lot nicer than it's going to feel here for today. Clearing skies, northerly winds about 10 to 15 miles an hour. So highs today will make it into the mid-20s, but it's going to feel like the teens once again with the wind chills for today. 24 degrees the afternoon high for Oklahoma City and Moore, 25 for Norman, 25 as well today, the afternoon high for you folks in Chickasha. But let's be honest, everybody wants to know about the chance of record lows and record snow here as we head into the weekend. So here's the latest setup. The winter storm potential here for this weekend. The storm system that's going to bring us that chance of snow is still 2,000 miles away from Oklahoma, and it still has over 3 days just to get here. So we still have a lot of variability set up in the forecast. And because of that, this is the checklist of what we know and what we don't know. Do we know the exact track? Absolutely not. And that's going to play a big part of who's going to see how much snow, right? Now, is there going to be cold air, Arctic air in place? Absolutely. But are we going to see record cold? Still too early to tell. Are we going to see snow here from this system? Absolutely here across Oklahoma. But are we going to see record-breaking snowfall? Once again, it's still too early to tell because the snowfall is going to develop on Sunday, it looks like. So that's still days and days away. So once again, if you're starting to see those snowfall total maps, kind of take them with a grain of salt here with it being this far out. So here's the latest setup. We'll see some snow flurries developing Saturday morning, mainly in northern Oklahoma. Won't really impact the Oklahoma City Metro. But Sunday morning, right around 3 to 4 o'clock, it looks like we'll see some heavy snowfall developing across western Oklahoma. And then as we head into Sunday afternoon, heavy snowfall develops across far western parts of the state. That's going to slowly work its way into central Oklahoma late Sunday, early Monday. So Sunday's looking like just a snow-filled, snow-packed day. Saturday's okay, but Sunday, that's when it's looking like the heavy snowfall is really going to develop here across parts of the state. That first batch of heavy snowfall is going to make its way out of the state here as we head into Monday afternoon. We'll see a break on Tuesday, but starting Tuesday night, some more snowfall will develop and then really start to ramp up as we head into Wednesday morning and Wednesday afternoon. So I'm tracking snowfall chances on Sunday, Monday, and on Wednesday. So 3 separate events. And normally in Oklahoma, when you have snowfall, it gets to melt before another chance of snow moves in. But with this Arctic air in place, it's just going to pile on top of each other. So this is the snowfall total maps I'm going to show you. Normally what I like to do this time of year is do what's called liquid equivalent. What this is if this was just rainfall, how much rain would this be? But since it's going to be cold, you got to do what we normally call a 10-to-1 ratio, which means you normally multiply these numbers by 10. And that's normally how much snowfall we're going to see. But with it being this far out, I like to add a little bit of variability in this forecast. So my latest snowfall projections here for the state of Oklahoma, we'll see 2 to 4 inches in far western parts of the state. The highest potential of snowfall, which you can see here, that wraparound that's normally associated with the area of low pressure making its way across Oklahoma. We'll see the highest projections across northern and eastern parts of the state. And some parts of Oklahoma could very well see over 9 inches of snowfall for those 3 combined days. Not at once, but for 3 combined days. Sunday, Monday, and Wednesday. So we're talking 3 total snowfall days. That's why we're going to see some higher totals, especially across northern parts of the state. So to break all this down, we're actually going to see some sunshine here for today. Highs in the 20s, but as we head into the weekend, get ready for winter weather, some Arctic air in place. Not only are we going to see that chance of record snowfall possible, we're also going to see a chance of some record lows here as we head into early parts of next week. Dangerous cold with wind chills about 20 to 30 below zero here in the forecast. So Emily, definitely something we're going to keep our eyes on, and we'll keep you forewarned.
All right, Damian, thank you. Up next.